On number 9, our first step is to take the log of both sides. So log of 5 to the x is equal to log of 4 raised to the x plus 1, and I'm going to put the x plus 1 in parentheses because I do want to bring down both of these exponents. So that is my next step, to bring down the exponents. So x log of 5 is equal to x plus 1 times log of 4. Now the log of 4, I do need to distribute that to both the 1 and the x. So I'm going to copy down the left-hand side. X log of 5 is equal to x log 4 plus log 4. Now, one thing I need to do in this problem that we didn't have to really worry about on the other ones is that I have more than one x here. So when that happens, you want to get the x terms onto one side. So I want to move, or I'm going to move this term over to the left-hand side. And any term that doesn't have an x you want to have on the other side. So I have x log of 5 minus x log of 4 is equal to the log of 4 that I still had over there. And the reason why we do this is because now you can factor out the x as a GCF. So if I factor out x, I have x times log of 5 minus log of 4 is equal to log of 4. And then I can divide both sides by log of 5 minus log of 4. So x is equal to log of 4 all over log of 5 minus log of 4. Now this is okay for the final answer. If you wanted to, let me actually write this up here. If you wanted to, again, there's many alternate forms here, and WebAssign should accept any of these. But you could write this as log of 4 over log of 5/4, because when you're subtracting two logarithms on the bottom, or subtracting them anywhere, you're allowed to combine them with division. So this would also be okay. But then also make sure that you do have the decimal equivalent. And if you type in either of these into the calculator, then you'll get the same decimal. And it'll be 6.212567. And that'll be your answer.